So we've cleaned this rug and we've got a massive coffee stain, and this coffee stain didn't wash out. It's a pure wool rug, 100% wool. Beautiful rug, but obviously it really needs these coffee stains sorting out. So what we use is a product. It's a tea and coffee stain remover, and we're going to apply it now, and hopefully we can start to reduce the coffee stain. The problem we've got is we've got to put it down really hot, and we haven't got a sprayer that can take hot liquid without collapsing, so we end up going through quite a lot of nozzles, and I haven't got any to hand at the moment, so we'll give it our best shot. I'm happy with it. Hopefully, customer will be happy with it. I'll let you know. Bye for now. Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you want to try and help us grow our channel, by all means click the thumbs up button, which is the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to. Click the notification bell so you get notified of all our videos that are coming up, and we have got some serious amount of videos coming up in the future. Or you can just leave a comment. That'd be brilliant. We try and answer all the comments that come through. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.